In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed 3D spline scenes in Webflow. We'll start inside Spline, where your 3D scene is already prepared and ready to be shared. Open your design, then go to the top right corner and click Export. From there, choose the Spline Viewer tab. This is the version you'll use to place the scene on a live website. Before copying the link, take a moment to review the play settings. This is where you can set the default behavior for the scene. For example, you may want to hide the Spline logo for a cleaner presentation or disable orbit, pan, and zoom if you rather control the user experience through your Webflow layout. These settings help you decide how interactive or minimal the embedded scene should feel when visitors land on the page. Once those options are configured the way you want, click Update and then click Copy Link to grab the public URL for your scene. Next, switch over to the Webflow Designer and open the project where you want to place the 3D scene. On the left side, open the Add Elements panel using the plus icon. Scroll down until you reach the Media section and look for the Spline Scene element. Drag that element directly onto your canvas and place it in the section where you want the 3D content to appear. With the Spline Scene element selected, move to the Element Settings panel on the right. You'll see a field for the scene URL. Paste in the link you copied from Spline, then click Reload Spline Scene. This refreshes the element and pulls your 3D scene directly into Webflow. Once the scene is visible, adjust the sizing so it fits properly within your layout. Set the width of the spline element to 100% so it spans the full width of its container. Then set the height so it fills the containing element. This is important for making the scene feel intentional and responsive rather than squeezed into a fixed box. If you want to use the spline scene as a full-screen background, place it inside a container set to a fixed position with 100% viewport width and 100% viewport height. Then lower its z-index so your text and page content stay above it. That way, the 3D scene remains in the background while users scroll through the rest of your website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.